Hi and welcome to our channel Mike and Street Bob. I'm Mike and today we are going to learn how to use the Litchi software with our drone DJI Mavic 1. The goal is to get the drone to follow Bob doing riding. Other key points in this video will be how to use focus mode, how to use orbit mode. Finally, solving issue with black screen on the phone using the drone and the software together. So if any of this interests you, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hello and welcome to our channel Mike and Street Bob. Today we are again outside the city Szczecin in Poland, and again we are trying to see if we could get our Mavic drone to work with the new software from Litchi. So far we haven't been very successful. We have had incident where the drone took off and actually we had to press the return to home button in order to get it back to its original position. Basically, one of the problems we had is we had a black screen where we couldn't actually see what the camera was seeing. It was just a black picture. I think we have solved that now, and I will explain how to solve it. The first thing to do in order to prevent that we have this black screen is the sequence. We start up the controller, the drone and the software. So as far as I remember it, the first thing is to start up the controller, then after a few minutes start up the drone, and then eventually start up the Litchi software. I will try that, and if it's not the right sequence, then it will be the drone, the controller, and then the Litchi software. And as far as I can see, it seems like we have a live connection to the drone. So so far so good. We managed to get rid of the black screen, and now we will be able to fly with the drone. Welcome to our channel again, and this is day 4. We are trying to get the Litchi software to work with the Mavic DJI drone. Up till now, it haven't been an easy task, let's say it like that. We have had a lot of issues, but today the sun is shining, and as you can see, we have been able to bring Bob along with us today. So so far it's been a wonderful day traveling out here, and it's 18 degrees. So pretty nice. So basically what we want to try first is of course getting the drone up in the air. We will try to run on this focus where no matter how I fly in manual mode, it will try to keep me and Bob in the center. And we are airborne We'll go up a little higher. And then we'll go to this focus. As you can see now it's actually working. It's following me around as I move it. It's going around us. So this is how focus is supposed to be, that it will follow us no matter where, how we are doing. Going forward or backward, it will follow Bob, as you can see. This is pretty cool. This is finally working.